Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Apple MacBook Pro 13 2022 and what's inside of it. To open this device, you will need to undo all 6 pentalobe screws. Then, use a suction cup to gently lift the 2 sides of the device. This will allow you to pry it with your plastic tool. Lastly, pull the bottom panel forwards, to detach it from the hooks, which secure it in place. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Now that we're inside, we see a 58.2 watt-hours battery pack. It lasts for 28 hours of web browsing or nearly 20 hours of video playback, which is a fantastic result. Unfortunately, the storage is soldered to the motherboard. On the other hand, Apple allows you to configure the device with up to 2 terabytes before purchase. The situation with the memory is equally unfortunate, as the unified memory is soldered onto the SoC here. The maximum amount is 24 gigabytes. Cooling-wise, there is a single heat pipe, some heat spreaders on the RAM modules, and a rather small fan. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.